Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already discussed about some questions. Now we discuss about next questions, F part. Yes, F part, fourth question. Yes, what is the shear test of magnetism, students? What is the shear test of magnetism? Already told. Yes, a shear test for the magnetism is a repulsion. A shear test of magnetism is a repulsion. Keep in mind. Yes. How you are able to explain a shear test is a repulsion is there, magnetism. It is like a same like a charge. I will explain the reason behind the why shear test. For example, you have two positive charge. Here also one positive charge and here one neutral body. Neutral or maybe negative body. These two show repulsion because same charges repel each other. Positive repel each other, positive repel each other. Inside this one body is there neutral or negative. Body is the neutral, maybe negative. If body is neutral, neutral means they have the same positive and negative charge. If for example 2 positive, 2 negative, it means body neutral overall, zero charge. Body neutral, it means they not have. It means not that it is not have charge. It have a charge, but the overall charge is zero. But when positive charge become near to the neutral body, then negative come this side and positive come this side. So there should be here the gap is there d distance. The charge will come, induce the charge. Charge will come on, induce the charge. I will discuss about the induced charge also afterwards. Yes, due to positive charge here negative come and positive repulsion. That's why move away. Charge will come. Charge separation is there. Positive negative charge separation is there. If body is the negative charge, student, that is also show the attraction. When body is neutral, that also show the attraction. Up positive, here negative, that also show the attraction. For neutral body also and negative body also. It means the attraction is not a shear test. Body is neutral, maybe negative, it becomes the attractive forces. But in repulsive, it is a fix. Both same positive charge is there. Repulsion fix. No other thing is there. So that's why it is a repulsion is a shear test of the, you can say that electric field also. But in case of magnetism, if you take north pole, south pole, same. Here one north pole, here also north pole, here north pole. But one body which not have any north pole and south pole, their electron move randomly. I already told to you, when electron move in same direction, then north pole, south pole will come. But when north towards, it means due to this, it also magnetize. Due to this also magnetize. So here will come south, here will come north. So body, if a neutral body not have north pole and south pole, and if have, then both of show the attraction. But here repulsion is a fix. Repulsion is fixed. That's why the repulsion is the shear test of magnetism. Keep in mind. Yes. Define magnetic field. Next question. The area around the magnet. Area around the magnet. This is the, for example, north pole, south pole. The magnetic lines always move from north to south. This is the area up to which these lines are there. That area. If any other pole come in between, then it show attraction or repulsion maybe. The area around the magnet where it can exercise its influence. Influence. If you take anyone in this area, it may be show attraction or repulsion. That area is called magnetic field. What do you mean understand by the magnetic lines of forces? Yes, magnetic lines of forces, student. Already told to you. These are the magnetic concentric lines are there. These are the magnetic lines. When you put compass, that make the path. That path is called concentric line, and that concentric line is called magnetic lines of forces. See there. The concentric rings made by the magnetic needle around the magnet are called magnetic lines of forces. Very easy, student. Yes. This is on the page number 123. These all questions are on the page number 123, student. What do you mean understand by induced magnetism? Already told to you. When a body not have any north pole, south pole. But when you put north pole here, then here south come, here north come. Separation between these. Why? We already told. Firstly, electron move randomly here and there. But you bring near, so it form the north pole and south pole. Electrons are lying in same direction. That's why only, students. Yes. What do you understand by the induced magnetism, student? The process in which a piece of unmagnetized magnetic material touches unmagnetized. This is unmagnetized only, and this is the piece which one magnetized. Is brought near to the pole of the permanent magnet. This was the permanent magnet. Example of permanent magnet. So due to this, here also magnetism come. This also magnetized. This induced magnetism is there. It become a magnet itself, and the magnetism is called induced magnetism, students. And the next answer, next question. What are the properties of the magnet? Explain them. Already told to you. The properties of the magnets are: this magnet attract the object made up of iron, cobalt, nickel. Already told, magnet attract the magnetic substance mainly. Iron, cobalt, nickel, they show the magnetism, induced magnetism. Like pole of the magnets, all this also I am explaining. Yes. Same pole, like pole repel each other, opposite pole attract each other. This is the second property, students. This is the second property. Yes. Next properties we discuss in the next lecture, student. Thank you.